using AV2BC add-in. In this example, you can see the selected item doesn't exist in ERP as per Vault preview. The same can be confirmed in Business Central. This assembly along with its children will be automatically transferred as soon as they are approved. After the file has been approved, the transfer process is started and a status dialog is shown. In the dialog, the process status of transfer can be seen. It is possible to push the transfer process to the background if required. After approval is over, ERP details can be previewed in preview windows. Now if we check Business Central, transferred items will be available along with a preview. Production BOM along with the BOM version can also be seen. It is possible to create assembly BOM also if required. We can see preview created production BOM inside Vault Explorer preview. Now let us modify the production BOM version inside Business Central by changing the quantity of a child component. We can see the modified BOM immediately inside the Vault preview. In the Vault BOM preview, it is possible to see BOMs from previous dates or different statuses. Since this BOM is created now, if we select the old date, BOM is not seen. Using BOM Compare, it is possible to compare PDM BOM with ERP BOM. In the BOM Differences window, we can see the differences highlighted in red. Child item property differences can also be seen. Results of the BOM comparison can be exported to an Excel file. Exported Excel will have differences highlighted. It is possible to compare with previous versions of production BOM or of different states. It is also possible to create new items inside the Vault using the number series in ERP. By clicking on Generate Number from ERP, a new dialog comes up wherein you can select the category for the item to be created. After selecting a category and clicking on the Generate button, a new item will be created using the ERP number series. Using the Inventor add-in, it is possible to perform integration operations directly from the Inventor without the need of coming back to the Vault window. We can also preview ERP data directly inside Autodesk Inventor or compare the bill of materials. No additional license is required for the Inventor add-in. Using the optional reporting add-on, it is possible to see how many items have or BOMs or entities have been created by users or entities created during a certain period of time inside ERP. Data can be grouped based on the required period or for the required user. Data that is seen here can be exported to Excel for further analysis. Before exporting, data can be sorted or filtered as per requirement. Graphs that are seen here can also be exported for further analysis. Graph types can also be changed based on convenience. Using the log viewer, it is possible to search previous logs for possible exceptions and other required information. Process List can also be seen in the Process List tab, showing the list of ERP data transfer processes.